The equation in slope-intercept form that describes a line through 4, 2 with a slope of 1/2. All right. Here's a key: the slope of 1/2, and it passes through 4, 2. So, a couple ways you can do this. You use process elimination. Make sure that all answer choices have a slope of 1/2. All right. And then if you want to use your calculator, you can try all of these choices and then look at your table and see which one of those lines has the ordered pair 4, 2. So I just gave you a couple different choices to do that. You got a positive slope of 1/2, and you can rule out some of these, and then you can put the remaining answers in your calculator and see which one has a ordered pair of 4, 2. Number 2, find the equation in slope-intercept form that describes a line through -1, 1, and 2, 3. And you know slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. All right. So again, if you want to, you can try all these choices in your calculator and see which one of those lines have the ordered pair -1, 1, and 2, 3. Another way you can do this is find the slope by doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once you find the slope, you can rule out some of these and then use your calculator to put them in. So either way you want to do it is fine with me. Okay, you do the best way that you like. Number 3, if 5 deli sandwiches cost $29.75, how much will 8 sandwiches cost? Okay, so if 5 costs $29.75, how much will 8 cost? And this you can use direct variation if you want to. Y equals kx, or you can set up a proportion and do it. Okay, and we talked about both ways in class. So either way that you wanted to figure that out, you feel comfortable doing that, you go right ahead. Remember, 5 sandwiches cost $29.75. How much will 8 cost? What is the standard form of y minus 8 equals 2 times the sum of x plus 3? Standard form is ax plus by equals c. So you want to put this into standard form. And once you do that, you're going to pick your answer choice. So you're going to take this into standard form. Remember, you need to distribute first, and then you need to get x and y on the same side. Okay? Number 5, which is the graph of y equals 2/3 x? So look and see, is it A, B, C, or D? Think about this. Is the slope positive or negative? All right? So look at the slope. Is it positive or negative? And think about what type of line you would have. Well, you know, now you can do process elimination, and then you can now look at doing some slope triangles. Okay? Number 6, if y varies directly as x and y equals 3 when x is 10, find x when y equals 8. And here's your direct variation formula: directly, direct variation. And remember, you want to substitute these here in that. And then once you find k, you'll be able to substitute the 8 in and find x. All right? So we've practiced this a lot in class. So take your time and make sure that you substitute those correctly. Number 7, a driver's distance varies directly as the amount of time traveled. After 6 hours, a driver has traveled 390 miles. How far had the driver traveled after 4 hours? Again, this says directly, so you can use the direct variation if needed, or you can set up a proportion. And we did both of these in class. So either way that you feel comfortable doing that, you go right ahead, okay? So 6 hours, he traveled 390 miles. We want to know how far he traveled in 4 hours, okay? Number 8, what is the standard form of the equation of a line through 0, -3 with a slope of 2, 5? Remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. So here's the slope here, and here is 0, -3, and we want to find the standard form. Okay, we want to find the standard form. of this. So what I would do first on this is I would write this in y-intercept form. Okay? And what is y-intercept form? Y equals mx plus b. I would do that first. Okay? So take what you know. Here's the slope. You put that in for the m. And your y-intercept, think about this, 0, -3. There's your y-intercept right here is -3. So you should have y equals, you got your m and you got your intercept. Now you can take that and put it into standard form. Okay, raise your hand if you got any questions on that one. Number 9, what is the equation of a line through -2, -3 with the slope of 0? Now think about this. What type of line has a slope of 0? All right, and then do your answer choices there. What type of line has a slope of 0? Then number 10, to calculate the charge for a load of bricks, including the delivery fee, the Redstone Brick Company used the equation C equals 0.42B plus 25, where C is the total cost, B is the number of bricks. Okay, what is the delivery fee per load? Okay, so what is the standard delivery fee? So looking at this equation, what is the standard delivery fee? So no matter how many bricks you get, what do you have to pay off the top for a delivery fee? Okay. If you got any questions, raise your hand. This concludes the flashback quiz for week 5. Good luck.